Hello and a warm welcome to our JavaScript journey. I am Kumbhaj.X and today we are going to d- discuss into the exciting world of web development and learn about the fundamental programming language that power the interactive and dynamic aspect of websites. Yes, I am talking about JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile and a powerful scripting language. We all are know and that allows that allows uh, that allows us to add a functionality and interactivity to web pages and where you want to create eye-catching animations, handle user interactions for fetch data from servers. JavaScript is your go-to language. Yes, JavaScript is incredibly versatile, meaning you can use it for a front-end development to work with what users see and interact with on a web page. Okay, and but that's not all. It is also used for a backend development with Node.js allowing us to build a server-side application. How cool is it, na? Okay, so before we continue, let me debug. Let me discuss about powerful things that we are missing here. Okay, so common doubt that you are thinking in your mind before starting before before going to deep dive. Let's discuss about a two term that is a front end and back end. Okay, so what is a front end and back end? So okay, okay. So let's before discussing about these terms, let's debug most common term that is a Java and JavaScript. It is a very powerful myth here in this tech era about Java and JavaScript. These both are like a car and carpet. Okay, so they are all two different language with different purposes. JavaScript is a journal purpose language and it is a very old language. Okay, so and JavaScript is a especially designed for web development, but now their React Native frameworks is very upgraded. So developers are used for building native applications. In in a mobile application, we can easily take access of that application in Android and iOS. Okay, and especially JavaScript is working and designed for building powerful web applications. Yes, it is true here with the help of APIs and a lot of frameworks like a Node.js, MongoDB is a database that are used with JavaScript with different frameworks and Node.js that is used for building, writing and backend of the entire JavaScript code. Even Node.js is a virtual environment of JavaScript that is used with the help of IDE. IDE mean where we are writing code. Okay, we will be discuss about that these all are kind of things in the further videos. Okay, firstly, clear one thing: Java is a different thing and JavaScript is a different language. Okay, so now let's talk about what you need to get started with JavaScript. All you need, so recently I say you need a text editor and IDE and a web browser and a sprinkle of curiosity. Seriously, that is it. You can write JavaScript code directly in a text file, save it with a simple extension that is a you just you just need to write a file name .js. Yes, you you can write any kind of a file name after that .js extension like you can see .pdf file name and .html. I hope you are familiar with these terms, okay, these extensions. So you just need to write after the file name .js extension, and you can easily access that things here in your web browser and see the magic happen. Don't worry if you are new to programming. We will start from scratch and build a strong foundation together. Throughout this series, you will learn about a lot of things like I'm saying here, I'm writing here. That term is okay. Wait a minute. Yeah. So we will learn about a variable and functions. These all are important terms here in JavaScript. Loops. The best way to learn JavaScript is by practicing. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and start coding. No, I'm wearing a half t-shirt, so I haven't sleeves, but I also roll up my sleeves for recording the beautiful series, beautiful videos. Remember, one thing that is very important for this journey. I want to clear one thing, and believe me, it is very impactful things that I want to say to you all, everyone who is starting with this playlist and who is starting the JavaScript and any kind of language, any kind of a programming. If you are starting and you need to be consistent here. So for consistent, I wanna say one thing that is making mistake is okay. Yes, making mistake is okay. It is not a big deal, and everyone is doing mistakes and a lot of things. Okay, so and one extra things I wanna add here, that is it's all part of the learning. Okay, so you don't need to hesitate more. Okay, don't be afraid to experiment and ask questions to anyone, any type, any kind of a things. You just do everything and do a lot of experiment, do a lot of mistakes, a lot of uh, errors, a lot of debugging, a lot of experiment. After a lot of experiment, you will get something really beautiful product. Okay, and in the real life, you will get a beautiful career opportunity. Okay, so this is all about today video, and by the end of the series, you will learn. Uh, you will have the skills to create interactive web pages, and you will be well on your way to becoming a JavaScript pro developer. Yes, what? Yes, you hear right. I am talking about a JavaScript pro. Okay, so I am thrilled. I am here to be your guide on the exciting JavaScript journey. So let's buckle up and together we will unlock the endless opportunity of the incredible language JavaScript. Believe me, JavaScript is a very powerful language, very dynamic language, and we are going to debug it. And at the end, one thing I want to say: always do experiment and do a lot of experiment. Okay, and I will be catch you in next video, further video. Keep learning and keep enhancing your skills. Bye bye. See you.